for Nabaso, papa.
Yeah, that's you. Yeah,
for Nabaso. Out of 300, no.
Yes, your monko.
Okay, tina plane ma at Jessica plane ticket na akoto aba mo bia we si wojim fo. Also how no yet.
Enti yeah bano na ya more Greater Accra region. Greater Accra elidi Greater Accra no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia mpacho me kan de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia dia wi no mintimi mbo all the 16 regions but me bo only 4 regions because I want Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia awini a ode anya sisi aye kasa 73.45%.
Na wo ka sisi ankofu won kɔ ho nkɔ ye eyi ankɔ cheche mu na
sealed ya wie
because o ma hwe moto ebogu moto
ya wie Omomudi Canada Japan chini na omunya delegate mpacho we adwuma ye no ya the facts and figures na ye adwuma a higher kwa ho kamitimi a kyerɛw the nitty gritty ba me nkan ni na
ala start plan na masa wonya delegate
Mr. Choncho
omomudi Canada no omunya delegate mpacho nti per figures na yana Greater Accra region Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia we need 78%. I'm gonna do so probably 40,175 representing 18.96%. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia with 78%. Ashanti region Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia with 75%. 75% to Ashanti region. Eastern region Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia with 63% or the Eastern region. And can say Brian Champon. Champon, yeah, but one to me. Or not Brian and Kenya Brian Anka Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia between about 80%. But Brian T. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia with 65%. The Eastern region, Central region, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia me patch on Monday na Australia Ken. Sisi ya minu kase ye wi adwuma no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia kwita 52.25%. 52.25% our Central region. Na Australia by Monday no Australia but sisi wabeje sisi ya kwa nim the Western region Western region no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia wini but anya ba bi a ode atwim bebre. Yanko all the northern regions. Okay, the northern regions now. Northern region, northern region, Savannah, northeast, Okay, omunyina boma Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia equita 92.35%. 92.35%. All the 5 northern regions. Okay, boma. It is so far Ashanti region, Eastern region, Greater Accra region, and the 5 northern regions, all together with the addition of the other regions, Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia is leading the pace with 73.58%. 73.58%. You run off a to Friday, no chance. Yeah, kakra. Betimi anya kakra na so na running up with 75%.
Wow.
Cook class so there no obetimi am tip of kakra.
Me pacho hinfa.
Cook class can no so na percentage you be am kakra.
Oh, that be say adwuma na no Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Yeah.
Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. All the other
Mr. Atopide no
all the other delegates we didn't actually factor them. So Osha Abana Ekotona no contest. Contest. And yet I can say be a bang and I say be a bay no a main baby gap no sompa Ashanti region ura Asansobwache Bantama Constituency Asansobwache Bonabaso so far 47 constituencies in the Ashanti region no Bantama Equita the highest number ebeto ediama Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia with 85%.
Wow,
at the moment 85%. No go area.
Okay, mpacho skaya ku crash crank you pass scanner shiana. Dear
But
mama.
any I scan ashe say no
Serious.
maestro me do be see her this a Thursday ya ochina o ma me akwanya na nya 5 minutes me de beba bebo asenso boachi abaso na ya ye bantima
blah blah ya sumi
You are always change there. You are always welcome. You nyina na
me nko the integrity but the me person me can tell say ICT team na ye adwuma no me de ye example ba ko ya kiro me ye one example pa kiro say you for one delegate me pa cho book no delegate register na de ama all the 5 aspirants ye de ama all the 5 aspirants and obia ai bia delegate bia ne number e wo so delegate bia number ne telephone number ye working number e wo so na say fa nipa ba ko a enipa 5 Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia team no the delegate in team no ICT team nipa 5 and a friend one person into nipa 5 friend one person ube hu say nipa ba ko no one person
and can't show man
Mate me de hon be see
because or say we are keeping all your receipts emrepano mo wia papa na mo si oye deben no na no video ne buy na obi si oye deben I don't want to embolden that statement, that's why I will not mention it. I will not make mention of that name. Yeah, but it will bring out those receipts to you, and I felt very sad on the set, but I was able to tell him say master me nima asema wo kamenti poda enti te mo na mo de mo asem eba and e mo amasem enti what all I'm trying to say is say mesremo muma ye nyina ye nye back true ye mebu no. The party is not for omo di 80s omo di 76 78 no yes romo I think say omo bre it's time for them to go. They are tired omo bre they should go and sit home. Me they be am kasa me ba platform so and am TV and radio so I'm not here to come and do friendship. Party no adamakuma so I'm an extremist when it comes to NPP. It's ube di party natem because me party no na to di anesha menum. Party no na to draws ma meshe. Party no na to atade ma meshe. Into udi party natem me I will not take it lightly with you. I will not take it lightly with you. Into mestre say let us not condone this how do I call it unwarranted commenter. Yeah, every contest is a bar. And penifone be minimum how ye be kwana ma mo se mo nyina mo contest. Yes, penifone. They should be mindful of the things they say. And not be a higher in 2024 no. And not be a higher in 2024. And he and then yana say yeah communicate and mo nyina no. And they say me bana was a communicator. Na ya no mo issue those receipts to us. And it becomes very difficult for you to defend those things. You can't say my because you belong to a certain quarters. Yes, Ramo, it is not about quarters, it is about the party. It is about the elephant. It is about the new patriotic party. It is not about candidate A, candidate B, candidate C. We are looking for a competent person. Ye name say or no oba obetimi edi party name. Me de be am concept tradition na ye wo mu no. Tradition ye dada na asi hwe ensisa enti obia betimi akogina edan ne soro honum aye dede obetimi akikemu to say backing dog at the end of the day no hwe ensisa aye dada na because your tradition and de bia me kase politics na ye no ade wonti ne ekoso na say ade wonti politics ase you will come and be backing and be saying all manner of things. Me I don't speak for any of the candidates, whether candidate A, B, C, D, or E, but my position is that having been a young man who has followed this party for a while from 2006 up to date, my name say tradition, no? From what I have seen and from what I have read, and see sign aye dada na say dada na dia mesra bomodia na ye nyina ye make sure say party no will go in the direction na ye nyina ye nim say at the end of the day no it will be in the interest of not maestro, not me senior, but in the interest of the majority of the party, the majority members of the party. Miss Ramo, few days na akano, stress more diaspora no. Mu wa down for bebre nipa back wo US or wa down for be wo UK or be wo Nigeria or be wo other places munne mo ye. Mesrao, this is the time for you to pick up your phone and do your last minute course. Manipaneti asese me supporti asimesi inti masrao. Shenyama esi wo United States of America na anui BBC ye ama. Like, just give reasons. Sorry, a second.
Queste, Numuncio.
This party worked in the villages. Look, 2016, I personally sponsored myself. I went to sleep in a kumfi. Esuesia, Suprudo, Abakan, Abur to do research for Atukujo. A die my party ninti. I don't know how that thing leaked. Me wabur, me yana, nkofu be bede. Yehu, nye, I use that time I I use UCC. Na medeme AEB. What's a boy on your research bia? Nyame nkotin. Mankotin mission funu mo homo. What the matter chirpan what me be jina. Main station, da mo foka monko. Ono no ponu na mansa or the mass room. Because na minim da ye kura magi tubi.
I gave you boom, so that was short to
Me go boom, man can't just say me go boom.
Hey,
You can't have a party anymore.
Nini na party kura. On few our personal contribution on far yet new one ya tu yan cars. Mu Corolla that do be na yet nam. Na ya tokalipo na ya riche. Na ya din ya ni siko. Ya di street light. Just because we wanted the party to come. On the election day, I remember teacher for Mankasa personal. I spoke to them, pleaded with them. Yeah, you call your pulling agents. What in ya henisika? Party number do 8 good years. Ya badi na yenye. Eso pono. Ye mu binu man say ye kase tia party number at worst. Me yankokor. Asoma ka cha me de. On your politics bi. We jai otani bi wakana na atu. Because are you disappointed? Bro pray ni nyina party na hu. Nti we jai otani baby. Na nchona buka ni Japan. Menya wo party mwin na won kadofa waka wodo. Dr. KK Sapon. Muma tina boss my ministers. Nti party na afu wompo na party na mompa. Wanting baby na wanji wa home. Iyi wa mbende mo. Ma ko party no what am another party. The one good party no. Asa no akoma to yi.
You have a kan yemoto mo.
Wona what Dr. Bawumia na chire so. Anye ye kura bebre they also benefited.
Yeah.
What am a party mu. Inta afa ni nyinara. Yamfa ne de won nyina po wonye bibi. Afi wa kan hia na grassroots no.
Yeah.
The mun ko fo ebieni. Wona na na yensu ye ne the be the party baba na yensu ye bibi kakra. Ashro Abraham abre nyina mo wo faase we UCC. Mo party nye abanim na ya per scholarship bu boye dama. Eso nan krondefio na no. Nan krondefio na no. NPP sama no waka fita no pa mse mo wa ya mpom ya kufu bi mo so say now NPP ba promise an what am what baby akwati na inju ahom na imu na abade na what be yo
I no kwa wadi bi mpa ya
tete. Oya tete.
in the Japan na on your position na yiri no munya bi ame na Kennedy Japan na ba ya pera ono po so say party no mfa ho
say egbu egum ndanda
asemi oyeyo
oya tete
ye mu bi no no ada yere bre wo ho onye sunk cost fallacy yati ya wira akosha di bim ma iwe ko bakam ya yentum nko ya yentum jai
Santrophy
na yeda na ya ha
ai Santrophy anoma
mama gina ya mekwa yimanyim me yankufu ya wo yimda ya NPP baby amatina biara memfa me NPP nsie ndidi ya me je NPP na ma ya dai na mekwa convince NDC fu de o sisi ade NPP onya party papa into wanje wo party mu
dabi yakam
is the matter into na mesa me delegate fu no mum mpa ho chewo because adina mpanyifo aya kire hen no sa e wanyansa kakra na do party na nya do bi na opa ho chewo Kennedy Japan bra of the party afami ye yampa ho chewo de papa no ompa wo yeye hey politics enti yampa ho chewo alokoto am Kennedy Japan da wubuefu Dr. Baumia wubuefu obi di Dr. Baumia na chi wa ka asem bi man mpe nti le bobo Kennedy Japan we gu party nampa debi amako ebufu di obaba edi 1 week mpo le mfanta ebufu echi wubufu ya 2024 nurse funa ho bufu yi no wendi 3 hours so wendi 1 hour no kokoto nkwasi aba no ko ho buefu ehu last 1 year masaso makabio nurse fu woli di won papa
la konyono wala telu
we me
nja kwameto na sabi ababa do homo bodo ma ya kwasi ade
give it take
juma 10 months na wonti awoka na wala le fast na ama enya aduma chazo nya mi na nyumpa nja ba ya fast na 1 year
already ankopon hey
tinda taxi driver onyuma okwa adwuma ma onya ba ya 150 obe bi edi business for odi on rough
we me
ngwasi aba no to yinti ehu de we japade edi sie ma benyin papa bi wa ehu na lubo ne dongomi
Bible nsampa
awo atiska
me
ma ntue nja wuda wodi
Marcus, me call heavy why me call heavy.
hey
ekwa ba de hobasa
akoda he
ekwa ba de hobasa
hey
Price down one. Marcus price down.
150 pe ba fa kura
150 be fem kra
e kan pone e promise do but ya ni offend na accommodation ama wa linya nsampo ne za age
Maestro na o moderator we enkrama ne wase
ya bota na obodumudu na mafa ya
ye bodu wol be fi wol how dey be wo we juba
itinu
hey rade